So my name is Jonathan Castro. My audience members today is going to be my son and my wife, who's recording right now. This is my policy speech I'm about to read. How you want to change in your government and not suit it? We know that over time everything gets outdated, even ideas. With that being said, if I had the power to implement any policy of my liking, I would apply the term limits to Congress, specifically the senators of the United States. Also, equal campaign funding. There should be a change in our modern day politics. First, you should know what the Constitution states. The Constitution states that the Senate be composed of 2 senators from each state. Therefore, the Senate currently has 100 members. And that a senator must be at least 30 years of age, have been a citizen of the United States for 9 years, and when elected, be a resident of the state from which he or she is chosen. A senator's term of office is 6 years. With that being said, they have the power to serve an unlimited number of 2-year terms if only they get voted in by the people. Which brings me to the topic of how easily big corporations can put their interests first instead of the people's. Without all the donations, all these huge donations senators receive from these special interest groups, they get bought out and they put their ideas first instead of what people want. That's what gets them reelected. Someone who is new has no chance to compete with these veteran seat holders. They won't receive campaign funds as much as these old veteran seat holders who get backed up by these corporations who've been doing what they've been asking for ever since they got in their office. Some of these older senators don't bring any new ideas the younger crowd is looking for. When Mark Zuckerberg, for example, founder and CEO of Facebook, was brought in for Congress for questioning, these senators were asking so many questions about simple stuff that we regular people already know since we use all this technology. They were asking questions that make no sense of why to ask. That, for me, was the first time I saw how senators can be in office and have no idea what today's technology brings and how it affects us all. I would also like to point out that these past few decades, we've had a large cultural change due to all these technological advancements in such a short period of time. Term limits will allow younger candidates to be brought in, which can bring new ideas that will affect us later in life. A lot of people notice how senators do not seem to put people's interests first. It does not matter whether you're a Democrat or Republican. Senator term limits with equal campaign funds would not benefit any of them, which is why I believe it has not been brought up to the big table to be debated. This policy would be at the cost of taxpayer money. The way it would work is that they would receive equal campaign funds, either for commercials, radio, all of it, anything that it takes to run. They would have equal amount of money, so they have no chance of being bought up by all these corporations. If they have equal amounts, there's no chance of being bought out by them because they would seek the people's vote for what they really want. You know, if they have the money, they'll do what people want, not what these corporations want. And then with term limits, it's easier for us to have new ideas and change, not the same thing that's been going on for years. And I believe that is the only way we can see change. Senator term limits with equal campaign funds will put the people first instead of these special corporations.